What's we doing today?
Yeah.
You don't know what we're doing today? I know what we're doing today. Yay! So we're gonna go get some stuff today for my 30-day toaster oven challenge. Yeah, if I can figure out which key goes where, would be nice. Ever have that problem? Yeah. So we're doing a 30-day toaster oven challenge. That would not be the right one. I'm gonna try and do 30 recipes so we don't eat out, because you know how that can be expensive. Delilah's. So we're gonna do 30 days of toaster oven recipes, and today I'm gonna do a better than fries baked potato, but I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. I'm gonna add cheddar cheese to it and make it like a baked potato. So let's see. Okay, so this is my better than fries potatoes. They're cut into individual little slices. So this is my first recipe for 30 days using my toaster oven. I'm trying to cut back on going out, so this is my first attempt to cook something from Pinterest. So all my recipes are going to be just from Pinterest, and I'll put the link in the description on the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my ingredients. This one is like the super easiest one out of all of them that I found. It's potatoes, salt, pepper, oil. It says olive oil, but I'm substituting vegetable oil because I don't have olive oil, or butter. So halfway through this, I'm going to tweak it a little bit for my girls. I'm going to add cheese in the middle of the slices to see how that works. Let's see. I'm going to tweak it just a little bit for my kids. But all the recipes I'm going to be doing are just Pinterest only. So let's get started. Preparation's done. You heat the oven at 450 until preheated, and then once it's preheated, it should take about, depending on your toaster oven, my toaster oven takes about 5 minutes to heat up. Are you trying to interrupt my video? You want to help me? You want to help me? Delilah's trying to. Here, come here. You can help me with my video. Okay. Yes. So my oven takes 5 minutes to warm up. Yes. Tell me your expertise. Are we gonna? Yes. 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 You're gonna help me with. Oh, okay. So, depending on your toaster oven, my oven takes about 5 minutes, give or take, the high setting. So it's the high setting, which is 450. It should take about 5 minutes for mine to heat up. And she's helping me narrate. Yes. And so, once it's preheated, it's going to go in the oven. I put it on the top rack because I get a better heating for my potatoes. My potatoes cook better on my top rack in my oven. So I'm going to cook them on my top rack for 40 minutes. But 10 minutes before it goes off, I'm going to take them out and put cheese on them. And bacon! Is it bacon? So, let's put them in the oven. So they are done cooking for 30 minutes. I'm letting them rest for a minute. I'm putting cheese and bacon in between some of the slices and putting bacon crumble on top because Lily doesn't like completely cheese all mixed in, so I'm doing it halfway. So let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna put it back in for another about 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted, and then I'll let it cool for another 10 to 15 so it's not scalding hot. And then I'm going to make some chicken wings to go with it, and it's going to be fun. Finish it up. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm cooking a few chicken wings to go with it because Lily requested hot wings with it, of course, because can't have potatoes without. Yeah. So okay. So Lily is eating her baked potato. Hands down, I think this one for the starting one, it was pretty easy, but Delilah's hungry, so I'm gonna go feed her. So it's the Lily approved, which is my girls, Delilah and Lily. So, day one, I think it was a hit. Was it a hit, Lily? Is it, where's that cheese? Oh, we're dunking it in the, what's it, how's it taste? Really? Is it like just perfect? Is it better than fries? Okay, don't, really? You just got crystal sauce on all over you. Pull another one. I want to see if this is Mama's. Yeah? So I think my better than French fries baked potato pulls were a hit. Were they good? Were they good? Were they yummy? I will take that as a yes. Lily, they're yummy? Yummy. She moved into. Yes, it's honest. So, this will be, on a hard scale from easy do-it-yourself to, oh my god, what did I think I was doing on Pinterest? I would say this one's about I'm going to say a 3. At 4, cutting the potatoes, because getting them all the way down and getting them easy to pull, that's a hard part. But they cooked wonderfully, and they're so yummy. They're crispy. They're soft on the inside. I'm glad I put the cheese on it because it was a little something extra, and my girls loved it. So, Pinterest 0, Pinterest Mom 1. So, I'll see you tomorrow. I will be doing another one. I might up it a little bit Haven't decided yet. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.